Hello everyone, welcome to Double O with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to hop on camera to show you a little proof review on the SMS Phone Leads, and I want to show you that I have been still getting sales with this platform. I've been with this site for about a little over about 6 months, 7 months now. And this is still generating sales for me, and if you keep on doing the work and being consistent, you can start to see things start to follow up as time go by. So, a little bit about the SMS Phone Leads. This is a text messaging platform where you can use to be able to market all of your businesses, your primary business that you choose to promote. This is just another style of, besides the email marketing. So the SMS marketing is very helpful as well. And the open rate is in email marketing, where the open rate for text message marketing is a 95 to 98% open rate versus email marketing, which is 15 to 20 on a good day percent. And that goes to show you that many people like you and I, we have our cell phones and we have, our devices where we always on our phones and we always checking our information to see, who texts us or whoever, when we get that notification, we 90 seconds of looking at that text message. Wherefore, a lot of people even though email marketing is still effective, a lot of people, you gotta ask yourself, how often do you check your emails, a day? And sometimes emails can, go into spam folders, and so people don't even have an idea that they have any notification that an email comes through. So that's where text message marketing comes into effect. You get that percentage of opt-in rates to go up a little more higher. So that's what SMS Phone Leads does for you. And you can get your own number. Once you be a part of this program, you can get your own number, and you can use that to market. You can promote it on various social media sites. You can also promote it on Craigslist, where people can look up on your ad and then they can find you, and they can text that number, and you will have an automatic voicemail that would be sent out, and it'd be a text message that would be sent out on your behalf to do all the selling and telling for you. So everything will be here in the back office. If you check back here, you will have numbers. You also can have ways you can purchase more. You can purchase leads. You can purchase more mobile numbers. So here in the back office, just go to my email. Got a few of them I gotta go past. You can see right here my Stripe account I earned $45. It came through. So this came through, the SMS Phone Leads. You see right here, SMS Phone Lead. It came to my bank account. So you get these $37 payments plus the upsells if they buy the upsells. And that's very, very, very powerful. So you can check that, this system does work. You have your own messages comes through. You have bonuses where you can set up an active phone funnel where you can put your own voicemail, and you can have them press certain prompts so that it can carry on the conversation. Very powerful. You go by creating your profile. Make sure you create your profile. Make sure you have your information, and look at these are the upsells once you get started. Now you must have a Stripe account so you can be able to earn commissions, and then they will give you your link, so you can be your affiliate link, so you can be able to send that out. Okay, so here's on the front end, you get for $37. And you get a $10 automatic sales. Now that's optional, you don't have to, but that's just in the upsell. Okay, you also get a $77 micro book. You get $39 a month for buyer traffic rotator, and you get a $200 upsell for any custom email. So if anybody was to purchase all of this, you can get up to 205 instant commissions. Very, very powerful. So, you know, this site, you know, it really helps. There are other various, but you know, you only got to pay a one-time 37 investment just to get started with SMS Phone Leads. I do have a link in the description below if you would like to get started with me. And it can carry you through. You can have this same system, and you can have your business to automate just through text messages. You know, people go always answer their text messages all the time. So, you know, just think about getting those sales, and you can put this on the back end. So you can also promote any primary business along with this. So anybody asking your text message, your primary business will come up, and that could be very helpful. All right. If this video done some good to you guys, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button. Like I said before, if you want to get started with me today, one-time payment of $37. That's all. Just a one-time. You can have this whole system. It's a lot of different features in the back that you can use. They got tutorials, videos that show you how to set everything up. You must make sure that you buy credits to be able to send and receive messages. You got partnership. It's a lot of stuff back here. You got the SMS blaster where you can send to multiple leads with your opportunity. Make sure you check all that out. It's right here in the back office. You know what I'm saying? So once again, this is Double Up with Astro. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And you know, if you would like to contact me on social media, I am here. That link will also be in the link in the description below. Okay. Well, that's it for now. I will see you guys in the next video.